Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the define header. Okay, it's something that you guys may use. So let's talk about. I've talked about constants before, but I haven't talked about headers, which are a different way to create constants in C. So I guess others in this include header, but there's also another type of header, which is the define. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say I want to have a variable called let's say let me think let's say epochs. Okay, and I want to have a defined value to this variable, so just type pound define epochs and its value, for instance 32. Okay, so if I call printf %d slash n and epochs and execute this, I'm gonna see 32. Okay, so this variable, it's defined, okay, in the header, so it can be easily accessed, okay, and used. So there's not much more to it. So you guys can see that that's just the tutorial here. Probably I'll make some more research on define to give you guys more info. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.